Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check unknown caller on iPhone. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So if someone called you, I'll go to the call application, and as you can see, no caller ID has called me. If I want to know who is this guy, his number, or just call him back, if I click on the info right next to his no caller ID option, I can see that I have no information about him. It just said unknown, no caller ID, no phone number, etc. And even if I will try to call him, nothing will happen because my phone just simply does not know his number and it can't call this guy. But basically, how I can know his number and call him back, or just simply know some information about him. To know, I have two ways for you. So first of all, you need to open Safari browser or any other browser you use and type something like caller ID, or no, recent caller code, something like that. Search for it and you will know that, for example, in Wikipedia it said if you call star 69, this code will automatically call the last guy who called you. So basically we need to go back to the call application, go to the keypad and type in star and 69, and it will automatically call the last person who called you. So basically, if the last person who called us was no caller ID, it will automatically call this person even if it is unknown. So basically this is the first way, and the second way is to open App Store on our device and search for the application called Caller ID. So something like that, it will show up your list of applications that will allow you to see the unknown number. So I'll recommend you Truecaller Caller ID. It is quite a good application that allows you to see some information about callers, and basically it will allow you to show who called you even if the caller hide their phone. But keep in mind that you can't see the numbers that called you in the past. So if you download now this application, you won't be able to see who is this guy because he called you in the past. So it will work from now on your phone. And basically that is it. That is how you can know who called you and resolve the problem with the caller ID. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.